Hi, Doug here. So what I just picked up for the collection is this awesome device. It's kind of unassuming, looks like a piece of decor from a wall from the 70s, but what got me interested is when you look at the top here, it says inoperative, right? Well, was it like a landmine or something? Then I saw 136F, which I think is temperature. Well, then I flipped it over, and I saw that it says MasterGuard Fire Protection System. And up here it says single station. Look at that beautiful Underwriters Laboratory logo from back in the day. So what got me curious about this is some sort of fire annunciator. But how does it work? Well, after doing some research, I found this little plug here is the key to it all. So this one's rated for 135. So if the air temperature reaches 135 degrees Fahrenheit, this little guy pops off. So you headphone users, you might want to take your headphones off, but this will pop off and it sets off the alarm. I'm just going to mute it here for the moment. Inside this cap is a little bimetallic spring mounted inside, and then there's this metal ring around it. And the way this is built, it actually goes into detail on the back label, is it's based on temperature rise over time. So if it's really hot in your building, let's say 135, it may not trip because the ring and there expand at different rates and won't cause it to trip off. But if you have a fire, it'll go from a room temperature to 135 degrees pretty quickly, causing the outer ring to expand faster than the inner ring, causing it to pop off of there. And that releases a pin on top here, and that pin goes to a hammer underneath here. So if I stop it, there's some wheels inside, and that strikes this pin here. Oh, finally died. That causes the alarm to go off, and that's what triggers it. If you see here, it says inoperative. There's a sticker that goes over top of this, and at a certain temperature, the adhesive will fail, and that sticker will fall off. Basically, these are one-time use keys or triggers because the bimetallic strip will fail based on high heat. So if it falls into the fire, you wouldn't trust this again to trigger at the right temperature. So you would just buy a new one from the manufacturer and snap it in. You'd be good to go for your protection. Well, how do you reuse this? Well, on the back here, there is a crank, and you crank that up, and that's what makes it run. So you would reset with your new key on top. You would then crank it up like so, and then you would pop your new key in and it'd be ready to go for your next fire alarm session. So these are a really neat device. I've not really seen many of these. This is a single station fire alarm system that's temperature based, which is really cool. For you guys to get a kick out of that. Thanks for watching.